Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57, and on this video, as I have mentioned before, we are going to play with Beauty Big Bang's brand new, this rectangular clear stamper that I wanted to try doing some layer stamps. And this is the plate that I'm going to use. It's a Beauty Big Bang's XL-062, which has these layering images. As you can see, I already have on this beautiful metallic regular polish by Beauty Big Bang as well. I reviewed this long time ago, sometime last year. This one is 004. There it is. And to get this, oh my gosh, I can't get over how nice and smooth this looks. It's so gorgeous. To get this nice smooth look on my nails, I applied this base on my nails. I believe this is a water-based base coat that came with this polish. Okay, now at the time that I did the review, these metallic polishes, they're the chrome finish, mirror finish, did not come with a base of their own. I believe that after my review, so she suggested for me to use this, and that they were gonna come up with a base for this collection of their own, so you can have this beautiful finish. Look at that. I have not top coat this, but I'm going to just do the stamping right over this. And like I said, this because I thought with this being a rectangular, you know, with straight edges, that will help me better with the placement of the images, and knowing, you know, not running into the risk like when the stamper is round and running into the risk of slightly tilting the image. So we'll see how successful I get at that. I hope you guys enjoy. Okay guys, so here is the final result. Now I will have to say, admittedly, probably the blue base was not the best choice, as the pink inside my strawberry, I used this pink, Beauty Big Bang's pink. It's a very pretty pink, and it came out more like a purple. But that's okay. I wanted to see how this was going to work as, you know, for placement of these images. So I can't say that it was particularly a help, because I found myself still turning it. Yeah, so, but maybe, so if, you know, if you're trying to be conscious of always getting that image in the same, you know, like the same area, but it was because of, it was for comfort. It was a matter of comfort that I found myself turning this in. And now I've seen a lot of people using this rectangular stamper, and they just stamp. They go down, pick up the image. I still cannot do that. I tried it and I can do it. Even with this one, I still have to roll. Okay, so it's, as far as how I'm going to hold it, I even went catty corner once. It's a matter of comfort, but not too bad. So yeah, I just wanted to try that and see how it was gonna go. I am finding out that these rectangular stampers, it's taken me a little bit of a learning curve since I've been used to the round ones. So that is all I have for you guys. Let me know your opinions down below. Tell me if you know, do you think, give it a try, or how you do with these rectangular stampers. Do you roll them? Do you just press down and up, pick up the image? I think I've seen Tina do that, and that's how it works for her. But anyways, this is all I have for you guys. I hope you like this design. I am liking it. I love that metallic coming through. Oh, and I did top coat it. I finished it with top coat, a water-based top coat, so not to ruin the metallic polish. So that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. I hope you guys give my video a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.